Hello friends, this is Santosh Kumar and welcome back to my YouTube channel Santosh Arts. First of all, friends, many thanks to all of you for support and giving me a lots of love. Friends, today I will draw Lata Mangeshkar drawing with oil pastel colors. Guys, this is my first experience with oil pastels color in a portrait, so let's start video now. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this video. If you like, then hit the like button. and share it more and more. And guys, please keep more comments. It can be good or bad. And if you have come new in my channel, do subscribe for upcoming different types of artworks. So see you with the next video coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.